Don't be shy, just ask.
Good morning, everyone. So I did a thing. I always told myself if I have my own house, I will design it the way I want to, and it's gonna fit my birds. So I installed some stuff, and I hope it's gonna work out. It looks good. I like it, and we'll have to try to see how the birds like it. So this is what I did. I installed some hooks in the ceiling, and then had some rope left that I'm gonna use for the birds to climb around on. Later on I'm gonna be probably adding some toys or something, but right now I'm just gonna try out to see how that works. So these hooks are called swag hooks. They have an anchor that opens up underneath or behind the drywall, because it's like my ceiling is like a drywall, so that way it stays nice and sturdy. So I have it going from the dining room area to the living room area and then into the hallway. I just wanted to give them a lot of opportunity to climb. I might even end up putting something here in the center. And the good thing is that when I'm done with it, I just unhook it and it's gone, and all I have is little hooks in the ceiling and nobody will even know. So let's see what the birds say. I'm gonna go get them. Okay. Let's see. Mal schauen. Hallöchen. Ay, ay, ay. You guys made a mess. Hello. You guys wanna come outside? Yeah? Hello. Okay, come on, guys. Come on. Come on, guys. Let's go. Yeah. You gonna come? Come out? Hello. Hello. Yeah. I gotta clean your roof, you guys. Ay, ay, ay. Hi, buddy. Where you going? Hi, buddy. Where are you going? Are you coming? Hello. Oh, Milo, are you coming? Olivia. Hi, baby. There's my good girl. Zero, let's go. Come on. Wow, I know. Milo, come on. Let's go. Milo, buddy. Hey, hey, hey. Don't bite my cables. Come. Come on, guys. Come here, Babas. Zero. Come here, my love. Come here, my love. Yes. Are you going to come? Come on. Come. Let's go. Yes. Come on. Let's go. Okay, Olivia. Guess you're going to be the first one to try it. Okay, Olivia. Dann darfst du es zuerst ausprobieren. Bitte schön. Tada. Yeah. Ist das cool? Ja? Ja, mein Schatz. Come here. Come. Milo. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. You're a good boy. Come. There's my good boy. Come on. Yes, good boy. Come on. Oh, wow. Come on. Come on. You want to go see? You want to go see your toy? Yeah? Come on. Step up. Hi. Hi, buddy. Look at. Wow. Wow. Yeah. You like it? You like it? Yeah. Woohoo. Oh, look who's here. Hi, Zero. Wow. He likes it. Are you swinging? Yes, are you swinging? Oh, yes. Yes. Hi, Zero. your buddy. Your buddy's having fun. Your buddy's having fun. You want to go? Okay, how about you go over here? Wow! Yay! This is working. Woohoo! Milo, you love it. Yes, you love it. Do you love it? Oh, cereal. You too. Woohoo! Yeah, that's right. Wow, look at poor Milo's tail, huh? Because you're swinging. He always swings on the top of the on top of the cage, and so his tail gets all messed up. Milo, you like it? Is that fun? Zero. Hi, buddy. Do you like this? Yes. Okay. Isn't this a nice picture, you guys? Aww, my babies finally have some freedom. Yes. Yes, my loves. So you guys, this was a really easy and very affordable option. And if you want to, I have wooden floor, so I'll just wipe it up. But if you have carpet, just put an old, I don't know, blanket or something that you use for just this. Oh, there it went. But you know, this is easy to clean up, so no big deal. That's why I positioned it just so it'll always hit the wooden floor. I love this. Yay, this is awesome. Well, I hope you liked my little video. Please subscribe and like, and I'll be coming out with some more videos. Have a good day, you guys. Please don't be shy, just ask. Yay. Milo loves to swing. Loves to swing. And yes, for those that are gonna have some comments, yes, I cleaned up after. Olivia, what are you doing in the big cage? Anyway, so yeah, I cleaned up. Okay.